Strategy by Design, a process of strategy innovation. Organizational strategy is typically conceived and developed as an extension of the past and present into the future. We analyze the market, the competition, the industry, and our internal resources and capabilities. We then reposition ourselves in existing markets, or we extend our products and services into developing or adjacent markets. The future is assumed to be a linear extension of the past and present, and our rational, analytical techniques help us to do this well. What happens, however, when the future is not a linear extension of the past and present? What happens when we want to innovate and reinvent our business model, our industry, or our world? How can we radically add value and provide high quality at low cost? How can we reinvent the ailing automobile industry or the air travel experience? How can we solve the problems of our broken healthcare system, our dysfunctional economy, or address issues of global hunger, poverty, and terrorism? Rational analysis of our internal and external environments will not help us create a future that is radically different from our past. Reinventing our business model, our industry, or our world requires strategy innovation, not just doing what we did last year plus 10%. The billion-dollar strategic questions are, therefore, how do we generate strategy innovations? How do we make a profit and reinvent our organization, our industry, and our world? Unfortunately, although millions of words and thousands of books and articles have been written on organizational strategy, there is little that can be used to help us create strategy innovation. In fact, Gary Hamel, one of the world's most influential business thinkers, according to the Wall Street Journal, said the dirty little secret of the strategy industry is that it does not have a theory of strategy creation and does not know where bold, new, value-creating strategies come from. As hard as it is to believe, Hamel is right. The strategy industry still has no widely accepted theory, methods, or tools for the creation of strategy innovations. So, how do we actually create strategy innovation by design? I examined the content of over 40 textbooks on strategy formulation, strategy development, strategic management, strategic thinking, and the like, looking to see if they articulated a process for strategy creation. Only one text out of the 42 I examined was future-oriented, discussed strategy creation and creativity, and the need to iteratively develop strategy, as well as the importance of playfulness and fun in the process. Therefore, according to the vast majority of strategy development texts, the way to formulate strategy is to do extensive analysis of the external and internal environments, set your mission and vision, then position your organization in relation to those findings. Create some scenarios to capture the outcomes, and incrementally adjust your existing strategy accordingly. These strategy textbooks are illustrative of the mainstream strategy development industry. They tell us what to do based on analyses of what others have done in the past and are doing in the present, but not how to actually create strategy ourselves, much less how to do it innovatively. That is why so much of the strategy we see develop is nothing more than last year plus 10%.